Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing a clear goal and ensuring your Google Ads account and billing are ready. Start now. Set campaign objective to sales, leads, or traffic so bids and settings align with outcomes. Then choose a realistic daily budget and target KPI like CPA or ROAS because campaigns optimize toward that metric. Finally, collect 5-10 relevant keywords and the landing page URL. This lets you create ads immediately. Once done, you avoid delays and make early performance measurable. Next, you build the campaign structure and craft ads that will convert. Choose search campaign type and the bidding strategy that fits your goal. Manual CPC gives control, maximize conversions uses automation for volume. Create tight ad groups by theme and add exact and phrase match keywords to balance reach and relevance. Then write 3 responsive search ads per group, including a strong CTA, primary keyword, and a clear value proposition so Google can assemble the best combinations. Make sure to set ad extensions for more real estate. Finally, you launch and enter the iterative optimization phase. Once live, monitor CTR, conversion rate, and cost per conversion daily for the first week to detect issues early, because early data guides budget shifts. Make targeted adjustments. Raise bids on top performers, pause or edit low CTR ads, and add negatives from the search terms report to cut wasted spend. If conversions are low, check landing page relevance and tracking. One common fix is correcting conversion tags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.